Greetings, crafters. It's Julie Creek from Creek Bank Creations. Happy to be with you here today to talk to you about a new product that we have called the shutter pull mechanism. Now, this shutter system has two products that are used to make it, the shutter pull die, and then we have shutter sleeves. These sleeves have been designed to custom fit a scrapbook page, and they're designed to fit a photo mat 6.25 by 4.25. You can use the shutter pull mechanism in several different ways. We're showing it here on scrapbook pages, but you could also use it on mini albums. I will be teaching this in class on Saturday, November the 2nd at the Indiana Paper Arts Gathering, and we will be making that Christmas layout. You can see all the details about the class on our website. And you'll want to be sure and check out the supply list because there are specific things that you need to bring for class. So look for the Indiana Paper Arts Gathering and then look for classes on our website. We'll be making this fun Christmas layout. I'll bring all the papers and such with me, and I will teach you how to do this. You'll leave home with the layout and some really awesome instructions on a PDF file. We will also be offering make and takes. If you have time to hang around, there will be shopping and make and takes, and there will be other vendors available for shopping at the Indiana Paper Arts Gathering. Check out the details on our website, www.creekbankcreations.com.